Hi, this is Steve Davis, CEO and lead consultant at Real Wealth Academy, and this is Investor Tip Tuesday. When we're talking about foundation repair, you always, every single time, without exception, get an engineer to tell you how many piers you need. You never ever call a foundation company and ask them to tell you how many piers you need. Because this is what's going to happen, and it just happened to a member of mine. I'm going to go back a year or so to another member who paid $27,000 for foundation repair. The average foundation repair is between $1,300 and $7,000, total ripoff. What you do is you go and you find an engineer, they come out and tell you how many piers you need. When a foundation company comes out, they're gonna go, you need one here, 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 and then you need two interior here, two interior here, two interior here. And it's gonna be 10, 15, 27,000 bucks. If you hire an engineer for 400, 450 bucks, they're gonna walk in and go, you don't need any of this, you don't need any of this, you only need these. 4,500 bucks plus the 450 you paid him, 4,950, not 27,000, 15,000 or whatever. So the investor tip is this: always, without exception, get an engineer out to your property to tell you how many piers you need. Do not ever trust a foundation company to tell you how many piers you need. They get paid per pier. They're going to want to put as many piers as possible, and they want to cover their rear end. If they put piers on every side of the house, nothing can ever go wrong. So it's not just greed, it's them covering their rear end. But an engineer can do it so much more simply and with just the right amount of piers. So always use an engineer. Thank you.